Okay, so let's install macOS on our Windows computer using VMware Workstation Pro. As you can see, I'm using Workstation Pro 17. If you don't know how to get that, there's a video that we have on the channel that explain how to uh, how to get download VMware Workstation Pro for free and install on your Windows computer. And let's just get started. So here we are. Click create a new virtual machine. Let's go with the typical, and then we will be choosing our ISO file later, which is why this is selected. If you wanted to do that, we would have just clicked here, but we are going with, we'll do that later. I'll click next, and here, as you can see, there is no macOS. There's no option for macOS. Okay, so I'm going to go back a bit, and what I want you to do, I have this under the description, is to install the unlocker. I've downloaded it here, so we are going to install the unlocker. Okay, and this is it here. So this is the unlocker, and for Windows, so let's just run the, so I have this unlocker here, which like I said, the link is under the description, and we are going to come down to this one. All right, double click that. Okay, so it has passed. So mind you, you have to close VMware Workstation that is opened. Okay, so you have to close down VMware Workstation. Okay, shut it down. Okay, and then run your unlocker, and then once you're done, once you run it, it's going to patch. Go ahead and patch. You don't really need to do anything. So here I'm going to press the key here to okay, it has finished patching. Let's relaunch VMware. Okay, and create a new virtual machine. Next, and right here you can see Apple macOS. Right, so let's click on that. Okay, so we're going with so we choose Mojave, which is 10.14, and we'll click next. And then here we can see, I'm just going to remove this number here and leave it on macOS. You can change the name. Of course, here is location. Okay, macOS virtual machine location. So click next, and we give it like 100 gig. Sorry, 100. Let's go back. 100 gig, of course. Yeah, and we are not splitting. We'll leave it as a single file, and then we'll click next, and then we customize our hardware. We go with maybe like 8 gig right there, and every other thing should be left as default except for ISO file. We'll click use ISO image file, click here, and then we go down to, and then we come down here and we see macOS Mojave. It's there. Okay, as you can see, Mojave is 10.14. I wasn't wrong. Click open, and that's all that we're going to need for now, and then close this and then finish. What I always advise you do is come down to edit virtual machine settings, and click on that, and then come down to options, and then advanced, and then disable side channel rather, and then power on the virtual machine. All right, you can see this here. It's the macOS. Once you see the Mac logo, you know that everything has been set correct, and you just wait for it to finish um, doing its thing, and then it will start. Okay, so here we are presented with our installation window, and let's go. Of course, we're going with English. Let's click this down here. All right. Okay, so here we have a utility. So this is what we do first. We're going to format our hard drive, okay, and then we'll come back and install macOS. So let's continue with the utility disk utility. Right, then we come down here. Should be this, no, should be this one. So see this SATA here. Come down to erase, and we'll type to this. Let's say maybe Mac OS, and let's click on erase. We leave every other thing as it is. It's done. Click done, and close that off here. That's all that we need to do for that. Then come down to install macOS and click continue. Of course, you can see macOS Mojave. Is it Mojave or Mojave or whatever? Uh, Continue here and accept the terms or agreement. Agree. Select a hard drive. Click install. And all we have to do at this point is wait for macOS to finish. Go ahead and install, and see you. I'm just going to fast forward the video so that we don't just sit here and keep waiting. So it has gone through that process, and we start the installation, and now I think it's properly installing right now. Of course, like I said, I'm going to forward this and we meet on the other side. Ta-da! Okay, guys. So our macOS has finished installing, and now it's trying to get us into where we can set up. Uh, for the installation, I guess you have to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. There's really little to nothing you can do at that point. So you just have to wait. All right.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, our Mac is ready, guys, and here we have to select uh, our country. Let's go with, okay, let's go with United States. I have my reasons why, and then choose a keyboard. I just go with that. Continue. Just go ahead and continue. So we are not transferring anything. Just go ahead and continue. This is where you enter your iCloud or your email. So let's go ahead and do justice to that. Okay. You can set this up later. Okay. Okay. Let's just set this up later. So, okay. Let's skip this for now. And yep. Agree. Agree. And our computer name should be, let's say, 365 WebX. All right, and then automatically the account name is populated, and then the password, we can enter the password here. Okay, your password must be 4 characters, and we're not entering the hint. Let's continue. And now it's creating our account. All right, so let's continue. I like to go with the dark mode. All right, so click continue, and as you can see, it's setting up the Mac. Just few seconds, and it's going to finish doing that. All right, our Mac OS is ready. Yep. All right. Okay. So this is how to install Mac OS. Um, this is how to install Mac OS Mojave. The next time I'm going to show us how to, I mean, do all of the settings to get this in full screen and all of that, because the video is long already. And see you next time. Bye bye. Please do subscribe, share the video, comment. If there's anything that was confusing to you, just comment below, or send a message, and I'll be glad to um, attend to that myself. Thank you guys, and bye bye.